The Science Zone is moving forward and making waves in the Cowboy State. We are honored to claim the support of several local and statewide leaders in Casper, and now the governor himself.
It's so exciting to be here at the Science Zone and to see it being built up from the ground. And you hear the joyous voices around here and the laughter and just the discovery that's going on. What a great place.
Governor Gordon is expressing his emphatic support of the Science Zone and science education in Wyoming. We now ask you to do the same. Join Governor Gordon's voice and support and donate now to the Science Zone. Today's children await your support, and tomorrow's scientists thank you today. Go online and give to the Science Zone.